Tick tock, tick tock. There's only so many Mondays left before this year is gone. They say that how you do anything is how you do everything. And as I look at the fourth quarter and the things that I want to accomplish, the goals that I've set for myself, and I'm sure you're doing the same, I'm asking myself, what do I need to do better? What's just that 1% improvement I can make with my health, with my relationships, with my mindset, with my attitude, wearing a mask when it's appropriate, everything that I can do to make it better. I challenge you as you watch this quick video. Tick tock, tick tock. There's only so many Mondays left before this year is gone. How do you want to finish? Do you want to finish strong? Do you want to be the best you can be? Could this be the time that you express more love, more gratitude, help more people, make more phone calls, do the right thing? Because at the end of the day, how you do anything is how you do everything.